What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Club. What's good, guys? It's Wednesday, hump day. Another beautiful day. If you able to watch this video, if I'm able to speak to you today, and you're making it, you're in your right mind, you're blessed, beautiful day. But shout out to everybody, man. It's actually, looking to better themselves. Just looking to make an additional income online, man, because I always shoot videos every day, and I talk about different programs that I'm involved in. I'm really not a big program hopper. I might add different things to my arsenal, but I always still promote a lot of my original programs. I never stop promoting them, because when you shoot videos, and you do a lot of promoting, a lot of that stuff is still left online. So people are still joining. They're able to still review a lot of my videos and say they want to sign up or still reach out to me. That is why I still utilize a lot of my sales funnels, my system, because those links are still active. If I wasn't active in my system, then those links wouldn't be active, and I still wouldn't be getting the income that I get. So with that being said, is that the program that I utilize to actually promote all of my programs is actually the Conversion Pros. The reason I like the Conversion Pros is because it's a marketing platform that actually offers a plethora of marketing tools that actually help you maximize your business and get more leads and sales and help you brand yourself. You can buy leads in the back office. It allows you to build sales funnels and marketing systems around any business that you're promoting. And pretty much anything that I join, I build a system around it with the Conversion Pros. I don't, like I said, I don't use a lot of different systems. That I just don't. Because, the most of the time I use the same system is going to be for MCA. That's about it on the same system. For MCA, that's about it on the systems that I use. But outside of that, I pretty much use the Conversion Pros for everything. I funnel my leads through the Conversion Pros. So if I need to reach out to people, if there's other things that I need to do, send broadcast messages, I'm able to do that with that particular system. That is why we rock with the Conversion Pros. There's no need. There's so much that I can use. I don't need to go to different programs and different tools and things like that, because all the tools are actually offered. Now, the company that I love promoting with the Conversion Pros here is, I'm going to talk about Easy One Up today. Easy One Up pretty much is a marketing platform that, it is a system, it's a training platform. So it's e-training. And it covers all the bases as far as network marketing, making money online, covers literally everything from A to Z. And each product level from $25, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 has different training on each level. And it's just not one video, two videos. No, you can get about, I would say on each product, you get about 20 videos, 30 videos or so, probably more than that, as far as the system goes on the $25 level. There's going to be a link that's going to be at the bottom that you can actually go a little deeper on. It's going to check it out, and I'm going to have all that information at the bottom. I'm driving right now, guys. What you expect? I don't have my video. I don't have my computer where I can just kind of have my screenshot and go over it with you. But definitely, it's on there, okay? So, if you want to go a little deeper, it's going to be a link that you can definitely check that out. But with the system there, each product level, pretty much, once you come in at, let's just say you come in at a $500 product level. You're comped in at the 25, 100, the 250, and 500 then. So you don't have to go in and purchase each product level. No, once you become a reseller, you pretty much go out and sell that product, and the money comes directly to you. There's no one holding your funds. There's no payment processor that the company has to use. You can definitely utilize the company's payment processor, but they do take out a percentage of that. So, there's different things that you can set up as far as PayPal, Stripe, who else? Authorize.net. There's a couple of them that you can definitely use. Who else? Payza, Bitcoin. There's so many ways you can accept payment in Easy One Up. It's totally up to you. Walmart. I've accepted payment on a NetSpend card. Somebody just used my NetSpend ID and transferred the funds to me, and I gave them. I pretty much unlocked their product level on the one that they came in at. So there's a lot of different ways that you can definitely accept payment and clear somebody out and say they're in. And Easy One Up is a blessing, man. It's definitely a blessing. So when you join me in Easy One Up in the Conversion Pros, I'm going to actually give you my marketing system that I have with the Conversion Pros. I'm also going to give you access to my bonus training that's going to cover ad training from all on social media, from Facebook ads to Twitter ads to Instagram ads, all the way down to YouTube ads. So that's going to be an extra bonus that I'm going to give to you for free for joining me in one of those programs. Now you can definitely set up your free account. You can definitely set up your free account and pick a product level. Once you pick that product level, get with me. I'll go ahead and get you access to the training, and then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna get you rocking and rolling. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this up. This your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.